So, hi guys, this is Navdeep from Delhi Immigration Services. Today we have Mr. Jaskirat Singh Bhatia with us. Mr. Jaskirat is a 32-year-old Indian national, and he has got the Canada student visa for MBA program in the very first attempt. And he has worked on managerial positions already. I think he's working as he'll tell basically, I guess, deputy manager or something. So we'll just go over the profile and see how his background is and everything. So, sir, can you talk us through your background first, like the education and the experience that you have so far?
Sure. So, hi guys, my name is Jaskirat Singh. I've completed my bachelor's back in 2011, and after that, I've worked with various companies, including multinational companies as well. So, recently, I've been working with a publishing house in Delhi, and I'm working as a deputy marketing manager there.
Okay, about the student visa decision, like when you thought about applying for student visa, like what was
Yeah.
going through your mind, like how did you come to decide about like applying for the visa, like student visa?
Yeah, so it was like starting from 2007 only, I had that itch in my hand that I want to move to abroad, right? And I tried for Australia, New Zealand, but somehow I was not able to apply through the process. And so after almost like 10 years now, I have
Mhm.
been to many consultants in Delhi and around Chandigarh as well. But no one was saying yes to my case. All were saying that your days have gone and you're like now 32, you won't be able to get the visa or something like that. Then, a day I came across your video on YouTube. Then I decided to, have a chat with you. And you were the first one who said yes to my case. So I was pretty excited that day. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how about the program selection then? How did we, decide about choosing this particular program? Had you done some research also about other programs? Like, how was that?
Yes, I was adamant about the marketing management program because I'm also running my own agency. It's a small setup, so it's a marketing agency, and I am into the marketing domain from past eight years now. So I always knew that I wanted to grow and learn in marketing only. I had that digital marketing experience, but I wanted to understand the conventional or fundamentals of marketing. So that's why I chose the university program. And I pretty much decided that I want to go for the marketing only.
Right, right.
Yeah.
And when did you learn about the approval? Basically, when did you get the email, and what was the reaction afterwards?
So yeah, I was waiting for almost like 2 months, and between this time, we have seen a wave of refusals as well, and I was pretty scared because somehow there were few things were in back of my mind because the previous meetings I had with few consultants, and those were one of the top consultants, I would say. Sorry. So they were like, you won't get the visa. So I was pretty scared. But today morning only, I realized that, and I've checked my mail. So I've seen that there's a message on my application process, right? So I've just checked it out, and I've seen that there's original passport request, which means yes, the visa is approved. So I was super excited, and it was like I've checked that in 4 in the morning, and I've not slept after that. So it's like I'm still thinking about all these things and what to do, how to go about it. Yeah.
And to whom did you inform first then?
So yeah, first of all, I informed my family only, my family members. So they all were sleeping. I wake them up and inform them. And after that, yes, definitely now in the morning I've called you.
Yeah, that's great. So I think about the refusals which were happening for September ending. I think what ISCC was doing is they had some logistical issues, I guess. So they were all giving all the refusal decisions initially, and then all of the approval decisions they have kept, for the later part. So I think now they are just issuing the approvals, as per my understanding. So all of the students who are listening this or watching this video, if the decision is pending, it is most likely, I won't say 100%, but it's most likely that they may be in your decision may be in your favor. So you can be hopeful about it. And yeah, so all of the students mostly who had, I mean, if they had to give the refusal, they've already given it. So anyway, so that's great, sir. I'm so happy for you that you've got it.
Yeah,
So
I'm
you,
also super happy. Yeah.
yeah. So, the applicants like you, as you mentioned, you went to so many consultants and, everyone, denied that they
Right.
won't take application.
Yep.
So what do what would you say to all of the other applicants who are probably sitting in the same or maybe even of the higher age, maybe,
Mhm.
35, 39, maybe 40 plus. So they might also be facing the same. So what piece of advice would you like to give them about the research that you have done on your own before even doing this?
Right.
And what piece of advice would you like to give?
Yeah. So first of all, I would highly recommend these students to go for it, because there's no such criteria set by the sorry, IRCC government, that they won't take applicants from this particular age or that particular age. Till the time you really want to learn and grow, you should go for it. And I would highly recommend Delhi Immigrations and Navdeep Services, because it's been great. I've been assisted on every point or on every phase of the application. And it was like the main part which I have learned these days is the statement of purpose. Right. So they have taken a lot of time in building my statement of purpose. They have taken a lot of insights from me, that what I feel should be there and what they feel that should be included. So it's been a great experience.
Uh, And what, according to you, were the most challenging, about your case, like the things about your case, like
Yep. So
what scared you basically?
yeah, so basically I felt that my graduation basically was from a distance learning education. It was a distance learning education, right? So most of the consultants who were denying my case, they were saying that universities or colleges, they do not accept people from distance education background. But here we got the admission in the first attempt, and you also helped me in getting the scholarship, and I'm also very happy about it. And everything has happened in a particular format, and I felt that this time everything was in a place, and it was automatically getting into the place. Yeah, so everything was very smooth. Although yeah, the we had to wait a lot of time due to the pandemic issues, but yeah, it's a fruitful thing which
Yeah, yeah.
happened. Yeah.
Other than the bachelor's, I think you also had some refusal, also like maybe visitor visa refusal or something, which I
Yes,
think
yes.
is
Yeah.
bothering you
So
pretty
back
much.
in 2017, I had applied for the visitor visa for Canada with my wife, and I got refusal on the same by saying that you won't leave Canada. So I was also very skeptical about these things, because there's a lot of amount to be invest for such a decision, right?
Yeah.
And we really have to think through it. Then that's why I was skeptical about my distance education, then the refusal. But you had given me that confidence. No, it is possible. Yeah, and I've seen your previous cases as well on YouTube, wherein you've got them visa after, even after three refusals which they get from other consultants. And even at the age of 36, somebody is applying from UAE, somebody from Russia. So I was very confident about my decision on choosing Delhi immigrations.
I appreciate that. I mean, another video is coming where an applicant have got it after 6 refusals. Now, this
Wow.
is another achievement for us, and I'm very happy, blessed that I mean, we are just doing what we know. I mean, things are
Yeah.
happening anyway. But yeah, I mean, it was a great working with you as well, because you give so many inputs, you support in terms of making the case better, making the explanation better. So overall, it was a great
Yeah.
experience. I still remember, you first time you called us, we had
Hmm.
this is call,
Right.
directly discuss everything in detail. Then you had so many concerns actually, and most of
Yes,
and one of the concern was like we are in some other part of the country, and you are sitting in some other part of the country now.
that's correct. Yeah.
This is another
Yeah.
concern. You're not able to visit us, right?
Yeah. Because I had faced earlier issues with the one of the biggest consultancy. I won't take the name. So I was applying for the express entry program for Canada. Right.
Mhm.
So they have shown me a point system, a CRS score, wherein they were saying that, this is your CRS score. And when actually I paid, the things were different. So they've turned the cards on the table, right? So I was very skeptical about, the overall consultancies because it's a business model, right?
Yeah.
But when I talk to you, it comes like that, you are in this particular stream, or let's say industry, I would say for the betterment of the industry. I've never faced or I've never heard anything which would be very business oriented from your mouth, right? It is always you client oriented. You always talked about the client and you always kept the client first.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate the words. Yeah, well, that's our only
Yeah,
intention to solve the problems. I love solving problems. Yeah, that's all.
right.
So happy for you, sir. So happy for you seeing the
Same, Navdeep.
things.
Thank you so
I
much
am
for your
sure.
help.
Yeah, I'm sure all of your family members would be jumping.
Yeah,
So
yeah. It's like it's been now 14 years. I've been thinking on this particular decision, what to do, when to do. But I would say today this is the final day after 14 years that I've got to. I've got the visa of the country where I wanted to visit and where I wanted to learn and grow.
yeah. And also, I would like to highlight that we haven't mentioned the university to which you're going. So you're going to
Yeah,
UCW for MBA program. A lot of
that's
people
correct.
are also skeptical about it, but you got the visa
Mhm.
for MBA at UCW, and you will
Yes,
be working as deputy marketing manager, which is again a higher level position. And I
right.
think from that position to satisfy the officer that you will progress further with this program is up to great extent is a challenge. I feel. I think maybe God blessed us, so maybe we in the very first attempt we were able to
Yeah,
get that.
that's correct. That satisfying the officer in the very first attempt, that's the biggest challenge, I would say, because it's like everything was there in the profile, and they wanted to see the progression as well.
Uh,
And the way you have drafted the SOP, I've loved it.
yeah, that's great. So,
Yeah.
so happy to see your smiling face anyway. Thank you so much for coming here and talking to me. If you would like to add anything, you can add before we end this. And I wish you great luck. I wish you great
Thank
life
you.
back in Canada. I hope you'll do great. Uh, Amazing. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So if you want to
thank you,
add, you
thank
can add.
you.
Yeah.
Sure, sure. So I just wanted to add one more thing at the end, that once again I would highlight that go for it. From whichever background you are, things can be sorted out, and you should go for it. At least I would say have a word with Delhi immigrations, because I'm highly recommending them, just because for me everyone has shut their doors, right? And Delhi immigrations was the only one who said yes to my case. People, big consultants were not even ready to take my candidature for the Canadian student visa. So that's what I faced.
Great, great, great to hear you. Great to see you happy. All the
Thank
best,
you.
sir. All the very best. In case of any more concerns, most welcome to call us. No worries about it. And
Sure.
yeah, we'll suggest you the next steps as well. No worries about it.
Right, right. Sure. I'll be calling you pretty soon.
Yeah. All
Right.
right. Thank you
Yeah.
so
Thank
much.
you so much, Navdeep.
Pleasure.
Thanks again. Yeah.
Sure. Most welcome. Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Bye. You too.